Hello. So on behalf of our team, me and Chandu, it's our great pleasure to present to you the airline flight reservation system that we have developed. So this application is a flight booking system designed for both customer and agent, aiming to provide user with a convenient and efficient flight booking experience. So firstly, let's take a look at a main features and modules of our flight reservation system. Our system consists of following modules. So there's flight, flight search module, booking module, editing module, and agent interaction module. Through the flight search module, user can search for flight based on their preferred destination, travel date, travel dates, and other relevant criteria. With the booking module, uh, they can book flight, select preferred seat, and make payment using different methods. The editing module allow user uh, the editing model will allow users to modify flight details such as changing travel dates, canceling flights, or adding passengers. The agent interaction module enable the agent to manage customer flight booking, providing a better customer experience. So our target user primarily include guests who are not registered in the system, registered customer, and airline agent, of course, responsible for managing flight reservation. Uh, so for guest and customer, our system will allow them to search for flight based on departure and arrival cities, dates, and flight times. The system display available flight that match the search criteria. Yeah. Guests can register and become customers, while customers can log in to the system to book, modify, or cancel their flights, as well as view their booking history and travel uh, history. Additionally, airline agents have access to view and modify their customers' booking, uh, ensuring better service. So, in addition to the functional requirement, we also emphasize the non-functional requirement of the system. Firstly, there is a requirement of availability. Our airline flight reservation system should, maintain high availability, ensure that the guests and customer can search, book, modify flight without any disruptions or downtime. Secondly, performance is crucial. The system is designed to handle, high volumes of traffic and provide fast response time, ensuring a smooth and efficient booking experience for user. Performance optimization techniques such as cache, database indexing, and minimizing network latency are employed. Safety is another top priority, but we prioritize the safety of customer information, including personal and financial detail. The system incorporates a secure website, strong authentication, secure payment gateways, and regular software update to maintain a safe reservation employment. Lastly, the system ensures security to provide sensitive customer information and flight history. So in terms of supportability, our web-based airline flight reservation system can be accessed through various devices such as mobile phone, laptop, PCs, and tablet, etc., providing flexibility and convenience for the user. Now, for glossaries, there's some terms and definitions. We have uh, guest, customer, airline agent, departure city, arrival city. booking ID, passengers information. Those are pretty straightforward. Uh, Now for the use case diagram, you can see there's three main character: customer, guest, and agent, with their use case scenario. So for use case description, I won't talk through all of them. Is There's a lot, but I will pick one to talk with uh, for example, for the seat selection, uh, the actor is agent, and the agent should have cost. There's a preconditions that our agent should have, his own customers details, and priority is high. So for the frequency of use is frequent, and the flow of event goes to, first the agent search the flight to using to and from location, and then the agent enter the dates that he or she is willing to travel. And next, agent check all the flights that are available. And then next, the agent selects a particular flight and checks the seats that are available. And then for the last one, the agent will select a seat and reserve it for the customer. And there's one exceptions for this use case scenario, which is when all the seats are filled, there's no seat are available for booking. Uh, yeah, and so here's some mockups. So you can see those great mockup for our application. You have, login page, flat search page, and then, uh, the the search the flat information after you search after your search. And yeah, that's it for phase one. So now for phase two, we are required to have three sequence diagram and a class diagram with a skeleton code. So here's our sequence diagram for the one for select C sequence diagram. So as you can see, there's one agent that is interacting with our website. So the agent is trying to search flight, and then the website will go response with the flight information, the flight list to the agent, and then the agent can select the travel data, will request, select travel data dates, and the website will go response with availability flights. Now, then the agent can select specify a specific flight. It goes back to available seats. And last, the agent can select and book the seat. And here an alternative situation will occurs, which the website will check if this flight, if there's a seat available, still available in this flight, and then the website will go with reservation confirmation to the agent. Else, the website will simply display no seats are available to the agent. The next sequence diagram is logging. So in this scenario, we have our user that is interacting with the website. So user is trying to open a login page, and then website will show the login page to the user. User will try to enter the ID and password, and then the website will go through validate user credential process. An alternative will also appear in this case. So if the credentials are valid, it will be approved. If it is not, it will redirect it to the login page, and the user may try it again. So for the last one, this is choose payment method diagram. So our customer is trying to search flight, and the website meanwhile will request requirement flight to the database. So and then database will go return available flight to the website, and the website will go display the available flight to our customer. And now if customer want to buy the flight, you can choose a payment method. to the website, and our website will redirect to payment center to process this payment. So the payment center will then request for the payment information from our customer, and the customer will now provide payment information, and then a payment center can display the payment result to the website. So in this case, if the card details are valid, the website will successfully register this customer's flight. If not, the website will go back to the searching page. Now for the class diagram, here's now how it look like. As you can see, there's two target for the user. There's traveler and travel agent. Um, let me just show you the code. So this is user with ID, name, email, phones data, and so the travelers and the traveler agent is extend from the user, and traveler can book flight, cancel flight, update contact information. Meanwhile, the travel agent can do almost the same thing. Now, for the flight search, the flight can have informations for flight number, departure, destination, departure time, arrival time, available seat, and then there's back to the gram. For the flight search, there's four sections: the flight information, the flight booking, and customer, and the flight research. Goes back to the code. So the customer is also an extend from user, but a customer will have more movement. Customer can book flight, cancel flight. That's the same, but meanwhile, the customer can also display their booking and check their order history. And so that's it for the skeleton code.
Hello, this is a project we are working on, airline flight registration system, and here's the hard code for the project. And when we try to run the implementation, we'll get the uh, menu on the console, so which says display flights, book a flight ticket, and how to book a flight tickets. And here we are going to execute the program. I've given a bar. So it says the available flights and the time of departure and our arrival time. So next I'm gonna select the book a flight to, and it asks for a flight number. So let's say FL003, which goes to Sydney. FL003. So it asks for my ID. I'm just giving my ID, name, and some random email and a phone number. So it says the registration is successful, the ticket has been booked for the specific flight, and now I can retrieve I can see my flight details by entering the number. And here's my booking ID. This is a reference to look at the registration. So let us check if the registration is successful or not. So yeah, here we go. When I gave the booking ID, it shows my flight number, departure, arrival date, time, and my name and my details too. So next we're gonna do cancel the ticket, enter the flight number, FL003, booking ID. This is my booking ID. And I've successfully cancel my flight ticket by doing these things. So I think this is a implementation of our project. Thank you.